In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format a header in Smartsheet. We'll walk through a simple example using a form, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to give your sheet a clear, professional-looking title that's easy for others to understand. First, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account and you have the sheet open that you want to work with. On the top area of the sheet, look for the option labeled Form. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up the Form Builder view, which is where you can manage how information is entered into your sheet. Even though we're focusing on the header, it's helpful to remember that this form is often what your users will see first, so a well-formatted header makes a strong impression. Once the form builder is open, look toward the upper part of the screen where the form name appears. By default, it might say something like Untitled Sheet or a generic name. Move your mouse to the right side of that text and click on it. This is the title area that controls how your form and header are labeled. Clicking here activates the text field so you can edit it. Now, type in the title you want to use. Think about a name that clearly describes the purpose of your sheet or form. For example, instead of something vague like Form 1, use a descriptive title such as Marketing Campaign Requests or IT Support Ticket Submission. A good title helps your team quickly recognize what the sheet is for and reduces confusion, especially if you work with a lot of different forms. Take a moment to check your spelling and make sure the wording is clear and concise. After you've entered your title and you're happy with how it looks, the next step is to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually located in the upper right area of the form editor, and click on it. This step is important because if you navigate away without saving, your new header title won't be applied. Once you click Save, Smartsheet updates the form and the associated header with the new title you entered. At this point, your header is formatted and ready to use. You can now share the form or sheet with your team, confident that the title clearly communicates its purpose.